Hi guys, it's YouTube Labs. My name is Froll, and today I want to show you the website called the solsniper because a lot of people have been asking me about it. How does it all work? What is this website? You're looking graphs of Solana NFT collections on and all other stuff. So today we're gonna try to look straight into it and recognize, understand how does it all works, what is mechanics, what is the main features, and how it could be useful for us. Let's go, guys. So the first and the most simple case of usage is just by clicking these filters. This is changing of the floor for the past day. You can choose any time frame in here, so we can look for the past hour. For example, we can say that catalyst growth up on 300%, or fixed mob growth for 65%. So we can use these time frames in here to see what the growing was, to see what the volume was. This is for all time, I believe. Yeah, this is all time. This is for 1 hour volume. If we click in here, we can see 1 day volume. This is super extremely important for any collections to check out the volume that is going on it, because without the volume it won't be growing, without the hype it won't be growing. We can check the market cap, but this is mostly for to check is the collection the blue chip, or to check the blue chips that we have for now. And we can check the number of the holders right now. The less holders is better, because if there is a really low amount of holders, so we got, for example, 10,000 NFTs collection, that means that there is a lot of whales, a lot of rich guys who are out buying, and usually these rich guys are not panic selling and not selling a lot, so the floor will be quite stable and most probably will be growing a lot. Another really cool feature in here, that you can check these collections, not like every of them. You can make your own watch list. You just click in here on this green button, add to your first watch list. Add to your watch list, then go into your watch list and look all the collections that you only need, where you see their volume, 1 day volume, floor, and all other things. You do not go into the Magic Eden or any other website checking all the collections, writing down go check the GANs, then digging down the Nuki Bears, looking what's going on, what's not going on. You just going to this website and you see all of that. This could be the collections you're looking for, your portfolio mixed or whatever. You can do it as you want. Another really interesting feature here is that they made a graphs as we have in trading, quite similar with them, with the time frames, with these candles. We can see green candles, red candles, and this is, I think, really good thing to analyze the collections, because now we can draw some lines. Now we can see some uptrends. Now we can see some resistance in here, and it's even showing to us some resistance in here with these bold lines, right? So we got two resistances here, for one on 4.5, another on 6.4, and we can think probably like if they breaking it up, these two strong resistances that we dumped 3 times on, if we're breaking these two resistances, we can grow up a lot, and we grow up from here for around 50%. And this is how you can earn money on technical analysis, even on the NFT market. As well, we can see in here some resistance lines. We can draw some resistance lines in here, again, trends like triangles, whatever you want. If you're into trading, this is super useful for you. And we have, of course, some tools in here, measure, zoom, brush, again, some lines, maybe fib retracements if you like, whatever. Down here we can see what do we have on the market right now, what is the floor price, what is the changing between them, do we have a thin floor or not, do we have some walls on 10 Solanas or not. And in C, I don't know, does it particular 100%, but in here we can see last sales for these collections, what is selling and for how much in here. This is kind of useful too. I'm not sure about it's accurate, but still this is something. And here we can check our watch list as well, top movers and top market cap. And the last really good thing about this website is you can go into the portfolio, paste here any address that you want, any flipper, your friend, yours as well. You just paste it in here and you see all the transactions it was, what's he buying, what's he selling, what's his NFTs, and what is his Solana balance. This is not showing everything so accurately, like for the past days, past time, it's not showing us what the balance on Solana is, but it still shows us some NFTs and some transactions in here here, and you can just follow some guys who are really good at flipping, who you see getting a lot of gains on Solana NFTs, and you can just follow them and get yourself some free profits without even thinking, without any analyzing. You're just following them and you just get your gains. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you like this video, hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, of course. See you guys later.